In a big forest, flowers so bright, colorful trees reaching for light. Fresh air, mountains tall and grand, Ginger's small home in this land. But one day, through the woods, sniffing the air, Jumpy, a monkey, crossed bridge with utmost care. Between the tree, he peeked and spied Ginger's bananas, his craving couldn't hide. Before that, I put bananas with care, then turned, thinking of home, not being aware. Then suddenly, a sound caught my ear. I turned to see, bananas were gone, taken by a monkey. Jumpy swung up high, feeling so free, in the bright forest, beneath the tall tree. Yet he looked back, saw Ginger's sad face. His heart started changing in that very place. With bananas in hand, he came back to me, apologized kindly, his eyes full of glee. "Let's eat together," I offered with cheer, forgiving the trick, a new friendship was near.